Super fast and easy vegan pasta salad. I have here half a box of tri-colored rotini. I'm just going to throw some celery in it. Now this is vegan pasta, fast and easy vegan pasta salad for a little fast snack, a little fast lunch, or a side dish for your dinner. I was going to chop up some yellow peppers, but they're a little wrinkled, so I'm going to have to just use those for cooking. Here's some onion. A little chopped onion, a little chopped celery, a little drop of vegan mayo. Bam. A little drop of red wine vinegar. Bam. Oh, for the vegan mayo, I got this from Whole Foods. A little drop of olive oil. A little drop of French's yellow mustard or whatever yellow mustard you have on hand. Some sweet pickle relish, because that's what the vegan lady wants. She just wants a little bit in there. Now we're going to put the seasoning. We're going to use some Lori seasoned salt. We're going to use some fresh ground pepper. Garlic powder. Bam! We're going to use a little smoked paprika and just combine it. She was afraid I was going to use too much mayonnaise, but I think I'm going to put a little more in. I don't think vegan mayonnaise blends or spreads as well as regular mayonnaise. But this is going to be pretty good. There you go. She'll have this with a side of broccoli. Let me just garnish it with a little paprika. And she's good to go.